In this video, we will build a box plot, which is also known as a box and whisker diagram, from two columns of data. The first thing that we need to do is select our data, and we want to make sure that both columns of data are selected. To do that, I need to select the top item from each of the columns, and then I'm going to hold down my Control key, and while I'm holding that down, I'm also going to press and hold my Shift key, and still holding both of those, I'm going to tap and release the down arrow. This will select all the way down to the bottom of both columns. Once you've selected the data, click your Insert tab on the ribbon, then go to the Charts section and click on the Insert Statistic Chart icon. From here, you can click on the Box and Whisker diagram, and your chart will be created.